Welcome to Dows and Clear, the video series that teaches you how to douse, how to find hidden blocks to your success, your high energy, your health, your well-being, your wealth, and kick them to the curb. Hi there, it's Colleen Flanagan, Emotions Whisperer and Master Dowser. In this Dows and Clear video, we're going to discover if you're afraid to be happy. I was feeling sort of down and out myself lately for no apparent reason. I mean, everything's going great in my life. I didn't know why, so of course I'm going to douse, find what it is, and clear it. Just a quick overview when I douse, and dowsing is just a simple, very natural way that's been used for thousands of years to find hidden information that you need and want to know. Usually it's wrapped up in your subconscious mind, sealed away tightly, and your conscious mind can't access it, so you just wonder, like, why am I afraid to be happy? I just don't feel that exuberant joy that's very normal to me. So this is a yes answer when I ask a question. Fingertips come together, yes. Fingertips come down below the other fingertips onto the palm or even the wrist or lower. That's a big ol' no answer. And that's how I douse. So you'll see more as this video progresses. So let's just check in here. I am afraid to be happy. Okay. Do I have permission to find out why I'm afraid to be happy? Okay, most things come out of love or money. So this particular fear about being happy is about money. It's about love. That's sort of weird because I'm not in any relationships now. It's about love of a family member, a friend, an acquaintance. It's the love of a human. The first thing that came to mind was my country, the United States. This fear about being happy, afraid to be happy, is about the United States of America. Okay, well, not surprising considering all the crazy political stuff that's been going on for well over a year now here. And in other locations around the world, there's a lot of people who are afraid to be happy. How does this happen? When we're really happy and exuberant about something, and that could include election results, but then, or even, a special event, an anniversary, a birthday, something wonderful coming into your life, and you're so happy and excited, and right afterwards something bad happens, or something that you didn't want to have happen is connected, like you get a new job, and you find out this new job is a hell job. Who hasn't been there? I sure have. So you were so happy and excited, and then, oh my gosh, this is not what I expected. Your subconscious mind will make the link that when you're happy and excited about something, something bad's going to happen. So if you're not happy and excited, then nothing bad will happen afterwards. I know it's insane, but the subconscious mind often makes these irrational links. And the more you learn to douse and to find out this information, the more you'll understand about the workings of the subconscious mind. And quick plug, my book, Fearless Accurate Dowsing, will give you so much information on how to douse and clear. There's scripts for both, and how to release your fears that block your accuracy, your intuition, and your dowsing. End of sidebar. Now we're going to go back and check a little bit further here into the 5 fears that I always look for, which is also in this book. My fears that are blocking my happiness or being afraid to be happy are about the United States, what's happening politically. They are fear of failure of the country, of the government, of the economy, fear of not being safe, the country not being safe, me not being safe, loved ones not being safe. Not surprising with all this nuclear threat stuff going on. Okay, I also have fears that the bad times will never end. For myself, for the government, for the country, that we're never going to get any good politicians in who really are working for the people, not for themselves. All right. Also have fears of rejection, abandonment, and the consequences of success. All right, so we got the fear of failure, fear the bad times will never end, and fear of not being safe. Are all these fears about my country and affecting my life, making me afraid to be happy? Are these all the same level of severity? Okay, they're all level 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. So we got level 5 fears going on. And what we're going to do now, because we found out the fears, we found out how severe they are, we're going to clear them out. And you can do this by just talking and moving your hand over. This clears your governing vessel meridian. Another way to clear the meridians is like this. And you talk. Another way is to tap under your nose above your upper lip like that. I now release all these fears of failure of my country, of the economy. Fears that it's going to affect me and cause a failure in my business or my life. I release my fear and terror that I'm not safe, that my mom's not safe, my loved ones aren't safe in this current political situation here in the United States or around the world with the nuclear threats and the crazy people in charge in different countries all over the world, not just here. I let that go now. I also release my fear and terror that these bad times are never going to end. That the people who really want to do good for their countries, anywhere in the world, but especially the United States, because that's what I'm afraid about, they're never going to get into government, and if they do, maybe they'll get corrupted. And it'll be scary and bad, and it'll just get worse. I release my fear and terror that my quality of life will be affected and will decrease because of politicians, because of big corporations, because of government. Amen. So just letting the clearing, the energy just move around. It's going crazy. I could feel it. But it feels good crazy, not bad crazy. So I'm going to check right now. I am afraid to be happy. Do I have any associated emotions related to this fear of being happy that should be cleared now? Okay, so I'm just going to go through some of them. I release my feelings of betrayal by the politicians. Feelings I can't trust them anymore. I release my feelings of being devalued, dishonored by what they're doing to take away people's benefits. Medicare, Social Security, children's health care, adults' health care. I'm releasing my anger and rage. See, just talking about this is getting all these feelings and emotions coming up. I release any hatred I have for people who are living off taxpayers' money. That would be the politicians. And trying to hurt us any way that they can. I let this all go now. Clearing, 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 clearing. I release this feeling of being taken for granted by my own government, by being used as a cash cow for them through my taxes, and them squandering our money on wars and themselves and voting themselves in raises and such. All the emotions that I had that are related to a fear of being happy because of the government and the politicians and such, are those all completely gone? Yes. All right. That's how simple it is. You can do this too. Why do you want to do this? Why do you want to get rid of your fears of being happy? Because that can lead to worse emotions down the road. Like you can experience depression. And a human's natural state. I mean, look at a baby. Are they happy all the time? They're happy doing anything. Even like Louise said, little babies are happy playing in their own poop. They don't know any better. They're just having fun. That's what we're supposed to be doing as adults. We're not supposed to be all serious and weighted down with our responsibilities. And if you're not happy, or you're afraid to be happy, or afraid about what's happening in your country or in your life, your finances, your animal friends are going to pick that up. Your children are going to pick that up. Your grandchildren, your great-grandchildren. Your spouse, your loved ones are going to feel that, and you can affect their energy and lower their energy as well, because it's human nature to lower or heighten our energy depending on the people who are around us. So that's today's Dowsing Clear. Thank you so much for watching. My website is emorescue.com. There's lots of information for you to help yourself back to complete and total well-being. Does not replace a doctor's help, or it doesn't replace your medication. It's more like a supplement for your emotions. Check out my website. Please check out all the books I have on Amazon that are very reasonably priced and can help you as well. You deserve well-being. You deserve bliss, joy. You deserve financial success. You deserve love, starting with loving yourself, and you can do it. I did it, and so can you. Take care. Namaste. Peace out.